In this video we are talking about NFT. What is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. At a basic level, an NFT is a digital asset that links ownership to unique physical or digital items, such as works of art, real estate, music, or videos. NFTs can be considered modern-day collectibles. They're bought and sold online, and represent a digital proof of ownership of any given item. NFTs are securely recorded on a blockchain, the same technology behind cryptocurrencies, which ensures the asset is one of a kind. The technology can also make it difficult to alter or counterfeit NFTs. To really get a handle on NFTs, it's helpful to get familiar with the economic concept of fungibility. How to make an NFT? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are exploding in popularity these days. People are paying big money for these unique collectible cryptocurrency assets. One NFT by the digital artist known as Beeple sold for a jaw-dropping $69 million in early 2021, while many others have fetched multi-million-dollar sales prices. The potential for big money is leading more people to create NFTs in the hope of cashing in on the current craze. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make, i.e., mint, and sell an NFT. Pick your item. Let's start with the basics. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to determine what unique digital asset you want to turn into an NFT. It can be a custom painting, picture, music, video collectible, meme, GIF, or even a tweet. An NFT is a unique digital item with a sole owner. That rarity gives an NFT value. Make sure that you own the intellectual property rights to the item you want to turn into an NFT. Creating an NFT for a digital asset you don't own could get you into legal trouble. Choose your blockchain. Once you've selected your unique digital asset, it's time to start the process of minting it into an NFT. That begins by determining the blockchain technology you intend to use for your NFT. The most popular among NFT artists and creators. Set up your digital wallet. If you don't already have a digital wallet, you'll want to set one up to create your NFT, since you'll need some cryptocurrency to fund your initial investment. The wallet will provide you with access to your digital assets. The top NFT wallets include MetaMask, Math Wallet, Alpha Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Select your NFT marketplace. Once you have a digital wallet and some cryptocurrency, it's time to start creating, and, hopefully, selling, your NFT. For that, you'll need to choose an NFT marketplace. Some of the top NFT marketplaces include OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, Larva Labs/CryptoPunks, NBA Top Shot Marketplace, Rarible, Super Rare, Foundation, Nifty Gateway, Mintable, and ThetaDrop. Upload your file. You're now finally ready to mint your NFT. Your chosen NFT marketplace should have a step-by-step guide for uploading your digital file to their platform. That process will enable you to turn your digital file, a PNG, GIF, MP3, or other file type, into a marketable NFT. How to buy NFT? Get started by visiting the OpenSea login page and connecting your crypto wallet. Visit your profile, where collected NFTs can be seen by members of the community. Profile pages track your favorite NFTs and marketplace activity. Now you're prepared to browse through the marketplace and potentially make a purchase. How do you make money with NFT? Some entrepreneurs and investors utilize NFTs like stocks and profit by buying and selling them. If you have already purchased a collection of NFTs and don't need them anymore, you can easily sell them the same way you would if you were to create them yourself. The only step you'll skip is the minting process. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.